So the process really begins at the harvester level, where we stabilize the food material at the store before bringing it back to the WISErg facility. Once it's brought back to the WISErg facility, it begins phase 2 of the oxidative conversion process, which is really our aerobic bioprocessing technology. The WISErg R&D team spent many years perfecting our aerobic bioprocessing technology to make sure that we were using the right organisms to harness the nutritional value in the food and turn it into fully sustainable agronomic inputs. End-to-end, our process takes 7 days, which includes a 48-hour quality control hold to make sure that we've met our nutritional guarantees, our product is pathogen-free, and that we've achieved our hurdle technology. For new formulations, we employ a classic benchtop scale system to ensure that we can meet quality and consistency before we go into mainstream production. Bioprocessing is the process in which we transform materials with living organisms. The WISErg R&D team specifically selected organisms meant for food scrap inputs in order to make concentrated products that directly impact soil health and plant growth. One of our key success points has been our ability to not only have direct relationships with our channel partners, but also with our growers. Being able to understand how the end user is using our products and the results that they're seeing has allowed us to be very nimble and adapt to what the customer needs.